today I'm here with Mama Mia. It's Mango Mania, means Mango Festival, Mango time as summers are here. I know you must be having a full feeling to have mangoes. Well, I'm here in some place, 63 restaurant, where they have come up with new concepts, new snacks for kids in flavor of mango. Well, today we are going to discover something different which you have never discovered and never tasted. But what about the different snacks? Have you heard about mango pizza, mango burger, mango pani puri? No? Don't worry, I'll tell you how these recipes are made and how yummy they are. So let's find out how it is made. I'm going to the chef now, and I wanted to know that how they are making it, so that at home also you can discover this, or you can come here and enjoy it. So this is a kitchen. I'm going to enter it. So now we are in the kitchen where the chef is there. He will introduce himself. आपका नाम क्या है सर?
भरत कुमार पानी।
भरत कुमार पानी। आज हमें पानी पूरी भी मैंगो की सीखनी है। सो ये समर्स आ रहा है, सो क्या नया लेके आए हैं आप बच्चों के लिए?
बच्चों के लिए हम लोग को मैंगो मफिन से एंड पानी पूरी, मैंगो पानी पूरी काफी सारी वेराइटी है, एंड पिज्जा में काफी सारी वेराइटी, 2-3 वेराइटी है पिज्जा में, बर्गर। यस,
सो दे हैव 2-3 वैरायटीज ऑफ मैंगो पिज्जा। क्या क्या है उनके नाम?
मैंगो मार्गरेटा, एंड मैंगो रॉ मैंगो के साथ मार्गरेटा पिज्जा, मार्गरेटा मैंगो के साथ,
ओके,
एंड मैंगो चिकन पिज्जा,
एंड
मैंगो बर्गर
और ओके।
द चाट में दही पूरी है, मैंगो दही पूरी है,
ओके,
और मैंगो के साथ में टूस्ट किया गया मैंगो पानी पूरी भी है।
Everything is in mango.
Yes, this festival
full variety. It's not one variety only. And pizza में?
पिज्जा में 2 वेराइटीज हैं।
क्या है?
एक है मैंगो मार्गरेटा,
okay,
and मैंगो चिकन पिज्जा।
So you have veg and non-veg both.
Both.
So this is a good news for all the veg and non-veg lovers, right?
Yes.
So हम चाहते हैं little bit you just will go inside the kitchen and I want कि आप थोड़े 1-2 हमारे viewers के लिए बताएं कैसे बना सकते हैं।
Of course, yes.
So let's go inside. So now he will make pizza or burger you are making?
Pizza.
Okay, so we'll have veg pizza, margarita.
Margarita, the pizza base, like some pizza margarita also like.
So this chutney is made up of what?
Pizza sauce.
Oh, pizza sauce.
Pizza sauce and some like mango added इसमें.
Okay, mango chutney बोल सकते हैं.
Yes.
Okay.
Topping some like margarita is like top of piece of mango.
Okay, piece of mangoes.
Yes. Right.
Okay.
Then some curve of
some
mozzarella.
Cheese is always added, right?
Some flavors of like tangy and sweetness.
Okay. Okay. So here we are making mango pizza this summer. So I think lunch, dinner, breakfast, snacks, you can have everything with mangoes. Okay. So next we'll put it in that oven. How much duration should be?
Like 2-3 minutes.
2-3 minutes. Okay. Great. So here we go, our mango pizza. So now I think this is mango pizza. Cheers to all of you. Mango flavor with pizza. I'm tasting it first time.
Yeah.
Awesome. So I think ये कहाँ से आपको आइडिया आया?
Like suppose अभी मैंगो का सीजन है, अभी मैंगो सीजन में सपोज मैंगो
किड्स आ भी गए हैं. They are liking. We are doing a story on mango pizza. See, I can show to my camera people.
Hello.
So we have a mango pizza also. See, they all like. They have seen pizza. Have you heard about mango pizza? No,
What
they
you
have
like?
not.
What do you like?
You want to taste mango pizza? Okay. So here it is. You know, kids always like mango pizza and I'm sharing with it. You should try. It's really yummy. You can try. This is mango pizza. You never had? Oh my God. So I think today kids will be happy to have. See, they are having. Let's have cheers. Cheers. So I am enjoying my mango pizza with kids because people like, you know, mostly kids like this doll pizza. We'll go to Pani Puri section. I want you to follow me. So mango chaat. Well, अब चाट में क्या क्या मैं चाहती हूँ आप हमें बताएं हमारे व्यूअर्स को.
मैंगो में पानी पूरी.
मैंगो पानी पूरी.
मैंगो दही.
मैंगो दही पूरी.
भल्ले पापड़ी.
भल्ले पापड़ी मैंगो में. ओके.
और उसके बाद अपना ये हो गया फिंगर फ्राई चाट.
ओके, फिंगर फ्राई चाट मैंगो की. अरे वाह, ये मैंगो का है?
ये नहीं,
मैंगो पे मिक्स करके. तो आप हमारे लिए पहले बना दीजिए मैंगो दही पूरी. आई थिंक दैट पीपल वांट्स टू नो. सो एक प्लेट मैंगो दही पूरी बना के हमारे व्यूअर्स को बताइए.
ये बन रहा है.
हाँ. तो अब आपने इसमें क्या क्या डाला है? ये थोड़ा
आलू का.
आलू है, सेम है,
ऑनियन है,
सेम जो डालते हैं.
हाँ. उसके बाद ये ग्रीन चटनी डाल रहे हैं.
हाँ जी.
ये चाट मसाला.
हाँ.
ओके. ये मैंगो दही.
अच्छा, ये क्या बनाया आपने?
मैंगो दही.
तो आपने मतलब दही में मैंगो डाल दिया?
हाँ जी, हाँ जी.
अरे वाह.
ये सेव पूरी. ये सेव है दूधी. ओके मैम.
अब ये हो गई हमारी चटनी.
ये चटनी हो गई, मीठी चटनी. ये हो गया कैरेट. ये हो गया
पूरा हेल्दी विद मैंगो चाट.
ये हो गया अनार का दाना.
सब कुछ हेल्दी.
ये हो गया सर.
अरे वाह. तो ये रही हमारी मैंगो दही पूरी. अच्छा, तो पानी जो गोलगप्पे का होता है वो अलग है?
हाँ, अलग है.
वो पानी पूरी मैंगो का बना हुआ अलग है. So I think you want me to taste for you all. Should I go for it? चलो. This is awesome. I know आप लोग को मुंह में पानी आ रहा होगा. बट रियली मैंगो दही पूरी मज़ा आ गया. मैंगो करारा पालक चाट. चले एक ट्राई करेंगे.
ये आ गया करारा पालक. इसको तोड़ेंगे थोड़ा. इसके बाद इसको चाट मसाला डालेंगे. इसके बाद इसको ग्रीन चटनी, ऑनियन, ये आलू, ये हो गया वाइट मटर. ओके. ये हो गया.
पूरा कमाल मैंगो कर्ड का है. वाह. तो ये क्या बोलेंगे हम?
करारा पालक चाट मैंगो.
करारा मैंगो पालक चाट. कभी सुने हैं नाम? फिर से बोलेंगे हम मैंगो करारा पालक चाट. चलो, ये मैंने कभी ट्राई नहीं किया. मैं आज ट्राई करूंगी फॉर माय फ्रेंड्स. आज चाट का मज़ा आ गया. आई थिंक मेरे फ्रेंड को मुंह में पानी आ रहा होगा, नहीं? और मेरी कैमरा टीम को भी. तो इट वाज ऑसम. वैरायटीज हैं आपके पास मैंगो की
हमारे पास
चाट में?
हमारे पास समझो 7-6 आइटम है
तो
मैंगो का।
आपको if you really wanted to enjoy a mango mania, mango flavor, you can have in chaat. Like 6 variety of chaat is there. Mango pani puri, mango dahi puri, और क्या क्या बताइए?
पापड़ी चाट,
मैंगो पापड़ी चाट,
दही भल्ले चाट,
मैंगो दही बल्ले चाट,
फिंगर फ्राई चाट,
मैंगो फिंगर फ्राई चाट,
करारा पालक चाट।
करारा पालक चाट। ये दोनों तो खैर हमने टेस्ट कर ही लिया। So I think you must have enjoyed it. अब थोड़ा देखते हैं हमारा मैंगो पिज्जा और बर्गर कैसा है। तो चाट का सेशन यहीं पे खत्म। नॉर्मल, ये तो हम घर पे भी बड़े
Yes,
अच्छे
yes.
से बना सकते हैं। ओके
थोड़ा हम इसको रोस्ट करेंगे लाइक दैट।
ओके, थोड़ा बेक करना पड़ेगा।
या ताकि इसका
Bake
जो
किया।
क्रंचीनेस आएगी, उसका टेस्ट
crispiness.
क्रिस्पीनेस आएगी
Okay.
और जूसी बाइट इज वेरी।
So we are telling you how to make mango burger. Okay, so अभी थोड़ी देर 2-3 minutes we have
बस,
to keep
बहुत,
it
बहुत।
inside. Okay. और क्या क्या इंग्रेडिएंट्स है इसके? ये भी मैंगो रिलेटेड है?
मैंगो मोजो सॉस,
मैंगो मोजो
Mojo
सॉस। ओके,
स्लाइस ऑफ मैंगो
स्लाइस ऑफ मैंगो।
एंड
ओके
लेट्यूस
ओके, दैट द फेवरेट वंस। ओके,
एंड बर्गर पैटीज,
दिस अ वेज नॉन वेज?
वेज
वेज।
and slice of
Obviously onion and
slice of onion.
onion,
and tomato.
tomato as
Yes.
पूरा healthy burger.
Yes.
Mango healthy burger. So let's wait. These are the ingredients.
First of it is mango mojo.
अब हम डालेंगे sauce. That's a mango.
Mojo sauce.
Okay.
Put some lettuce. Like tomato. Like 2 rings of onion.
This mango is great. Wow. Bumper mango.
Yes.
It's ready to eat.
Yes.
It's ready to eat. So we can't. अभी
Got
किसी
it?
को half करना हो तो important है ना? Okay, let's do the half. You can do half. 2 people can eat. अरे वाह. I think within seconds it's made.
Yes.
Mango.
Pizza,
Visual.
exotic pizza.
You want me to taste?
Yes.
It's veg, right?
Yes. Exotic pizza.
I never tasted mango burger. That's really yummy. So your experiment is successful.
So thank you, ma'am. Yes.
Very nice. So here it is, mango burger. This time in this summer for you. So I want you to show me mango dessert. That's
Yes.
always a
Yeah.
best part. So please tell me.
Baked mango yogurt.
Oh God,
Like
my mouth is
really,
watering.
Chili, cold and sweetness mango flavor, more of the mango flavors.
Okay, this is called mango rabdi.
Rabdi.
I think I should have a plate and enjoy this.
Yes.
My mouth is watering. I think you guys also,
Mango rabdi or so mango halwa, yeah,
Mango
moong dal
halwa.
both are
Okay.
combinations. Wow, yummy.
This is also mango,
Mango
delight. Okay.
Yes,
And what else we have? Mango cake also there, I think.
yes, mango cakes and mango sweet rolls.
Mango Swift rolls. And we have mango pasty.
More varieties of mango flavor and mango desert that is this.
This is what? Mango sweet was also there, you said, na?
Yes.
Okay.
No,
Where it is?
Mysore Pak.
Okay.
Yes.
And where is a halwa? Mango halwa.
Not mango halwa, it's mango kunafa.
I know first we should have gone to the food section, but you know, before that we want to explore sweets. So let's start.
And Mecot mango.
So where is you can explain me about the mango dishes.
Yes.
How many variety of mango dishes have you?
18 varieties of
18 variety of mango dishes. Oh my god, great. So can you open it?
Amchur chicken wings.
This is called mango? Okay.
Amchur
Made up of mango, yeah.
Mango. So dry mango powder.
Okay.
Some taste mango taste and the
So it is
spices.
Amchur chicken
wing.
made up of mango powder.
Yes.
This is again
Mango,
what we have.
this is mango paneer.
Mango paneer. I mean, you have huge variety,
Yes,
sir.
and this taste is some sweet taste.
I have to
spicy
taste.
taste.
I'm watering. My mouth is waiting. And next, what we have?
Yeah. That's started also.
Other curries of mango that side.
That's it.
Okay. We'll explore more. So you'll have more of variety of mangoes. This is mango
No,
related.
not
mango
mango.
curd rice. I think I saw it somewhere.
Yes.
No.
This is mango curd rice.
This
So,
is
Mamadikai perugana.
mango curd rice. One should not miss this. This too I am going to taste.
Yes. Mamadikai perugana and the raw mango
Salads.
salad. Raw
mango
salad.
salads, I must say. So I mean the kind of variety and experiment you have done, it's great. And what else you have you would like to show?
Yes. Yes.
Let's explore more.
Like
So have soup also related mango?
Yeah.
No.
yes,
No.
it's like ginger soup.
You have a mango.
Yes. Mango ginger soup. Mango
We have a soup also because before starting the food, I think we need to have soup. So
Mango
they
soup.
have mango ginger soup.
It's mango ginger soup.
Maza aa raha hai. I think you all are enjoying. You have never seen this mango soup, right? I will taste and tell you. So next is, this is the best part. You know,
Fountain.
all kids love
God,
this.
kids love this.
So this
Like-
is how we do. We take this our breffel
Yeah.
and play. It's all wow. That's. I'm having fun.
Some put it some nutties.
Acha, you can do some
The choco nuts.
decoration and add some things to you.
This is like
Mango.
Mamadikai.
So this is mango dal, as we all used to love this. And in rice variety
Yes.
also you have.
Yes. Abakayano.
This is mango.
My special signature is Abakayano. It's very special.
So it's a mango related. Mango. Okay.
It's very special. It's a mango chicken curry.
This is what?
Mamadikai Kodikura.
Mango chicken.
Like Mamadikai Kodikura, mango chicken curry.
Okay. This is made up of mangoes only?
Only mango.
Oh. So we have a mango fried rice also. Chinese maybe you have
Basic
tried to
twist,
experiment.
yes.
Mango noodles also you should have tried next time.
This is
That's really
Mango,
yummy.
yes.
So mango ice creams are anyway common.
more.
Everything is there. So more than 18 varieties and more you're planning to come?
yes, that's different. And this displays also like a raw mango, cotton mango,
Okay.
mango, and
Mango rotis or parathas, have you tried? Like nothing?
No.
That is, you have kept it.
Yes.
Okay.
And this place like mango, cut mango.
Okay.
And raw mango, like coconut raw mangoes.
Coconut raw mangoes.
You like?
So how people are responding this mango festival?
Yes.
People loving it?
Yes, I'm loving it. Yesterday full crowd full of
Okay.
Yes, the kids more enjoy like
Yeah.
the soup muffins and chaat.
Yes. So thank you so much. We really loved the journey of mango series. Mango curry, mango desserts, mango snacks for kids, burger, pizza, pani puri.
Yeah.
I think nothing left. So I enjoyed this journey and I think one should try this and taste this. So for more updates, keep watching. Till then, goodbye.